Hello everyone, do you know how to open a GitHub repository or Azure DevOps repository project in VS Code browser without cloning it in your local? So let's see how to do this. So I have a project called React Practical here. So if you run over this project, if you click on this, we need to navigate to another URL and on. So instead of this, directly go to the main URL and click on this. So here you need to add vscode.dev/. That's it. So this will be opening your GitHub project into this VS Code in the browser. So initially it will ask for some permissions, you can give it and it will be opening like this. So you can see here, so all the VS Code feature, whatever you will get in your local, we can access it here. So we can navigate to different project files and you can navigate to different projects using these shortcuts as well, like this. Yeah, that's all I have. Thank you.